John, I forgot my ID. Could you swipe me in?
Hey, sorry, no time. Celery Prince is on at 5. No time, Emma. No time. Gotcha. Uh-oh. Help! Somebody! Hey, Emma.
Hey, John. What's wrong? Are you stuck?
Yeah, you know, guy wants a starburst and one thing leads to another, and I'm here for like an hour.
What a shame.
You think you could just help me out here?
I would love to, but I can't because I've got stuff to do and people to see. You know how it is, all right?
What?
Best of luck to ya.
Emma! Get back here! Record Celebrity Apprentice! I think Gary Busey's going home today!
Oh my God, John.
Thank God.
What happened? Are you okay?
Listen, it's a long story, but do you think you can lend me a hand here? I'm stuck.
Yeah, of course.
Thank
Anything for you,
Dude,
man.
you're such a lifesaver, pal. I can't.
Wait, pal? What do you mean, pal?
Pal, like buddy, like friend.
You know my name, John, right?
Yeah.
John, we've been working on the show for over a year now.
I know your name.
Together.
Come on. Like, what are you doing?
I helped you out when you had kidney stones. I held your penis through that
I know.
long night of screaming and...
I know. I was there.
Then what's my name?
No, it's Todd. Todd?
It's not Todd.
Starts with a T though.
No, it doesn't.
Terry.
No.
Tim.
No.
Tony.
No.
Tron.
No.
Tyrone. T-Bone.
It's my middle name.
Shit. If I'm gonna get out of here, I'm gonna have to do it myself. Come on! So that's why I was late to rehearsal yesterday.
And your arm?
What?
Your arm is still part of you. It's attached. So.
Yeah, I got it reattached.
So in a 24-hour period, you cut your own arm off and had it reattached, and that's why you were late for rehearsal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just don't let it happen again, right? It's fine.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Glad you're okay.
Hey, screw you, Todd.